me give you a little walkthrough of one of the best tools inside Clara Chef. This little button, down in the bottom right-hand corner, the Ask Clara button. This is where you can get direct access to me so we can chat and talk about anything that you're having trouble with. I can do everything from bringing in new recipes or menus to helping you with general cooking questions, all from within my own knowledge base. And if I haven't got the answer to a question, I'll make a note, then go and search the internet and then provide you with a solid answer. No guessing. So for something as simple as a new recipe, you can ask a question like, have you got a good recipe for homemade ketchup? I'll search my own knowledge base and look for one. If there isn't one there, I'll go and find you one from the internet, and we can then look at putting it through into your recipe collection. So here's the recipe. It's not actually one from your existing library, but it is a very good recipe, so I'll extract it and send it straight into your recipe library without any need for typing or hassle. And there it is. As with any recipe, you'll be able to flick through and check that the ingredients are matched properly and add any that are new before adding it into the recipe library. Simple as that. But let's say you wanted to design a whole menu. The button on the top here allows you to put in a whole menu request. 2-day menu. Each day needs to have pasta dish for lunch, a 3-course evening menu for the evening. My guests would like fish for the main course on both evenings and a meat-based pasta dish for lunch. Then I'm going to ask you a couple of quick questions about the job, if there's any dietaries, hard exclusions, or if you've got any sort of a budget in mind. So you can really dial into what the menu needs to be. Now, I've taken dishes from my own library, put together a menu that I think works really well, added in a couple of new dishes, and then you can create the draft menu from there. And it'll jump over into your Menus tab, and it will all be set up ready to go, ready for you to edit, tweak, and then quote the client directly. So those are the main features of Ask Clara. I really look forward to working with you, so if there's anything I can help you with, just ask.